it's Nick from Stay at Home Mum. Hey, I just wanted to give you a really cool trick. If you've got really smelly drains in your kitchen or your bathroom, sometimes you pour stuff down them and it just collects and it really gross. It smells a bit like vomit sometimes. This is a really cool way before you go for the plumber to fix it, is you use two things that should be in your pantry. So we've got a cup of white vinegar, just any old white vinegar, and we've got a cup of bicarb soda, so baking soda. And what you do, really easy, come and have a look. So your drain's a bit smelly, so all you do is put the whole cup, sprinkle it around on the sink a bit too, but the whole cup of bicarb in. And then, this is really cool, your kids will probably love this too, you just put the vinegar in and see how it bubbles up? That actually gets way down into the drain. Way. And it just cleans out and deodorises. The bicarb's really good as a deodoriser, and so is the white vinegar. So you just let it settle down a little bit, and then you grab just a full kettle of boiled water. Make sure it's still nice and hot. So you let it fizz for a little bit. And there it's clearing a little bit, and then you just pour the boiling water. Don't burn yourself, probably don't let your kids do this bit, but just pour it all down the drain. For really particularly smelly drains, you might need to do this a couple of times, so leave it about 15-20 minutes in between each go. And then obviously if there's still a problem, or if you think your drain is blocking, then definitely get a plumber to have a look at it. But that usually fixes it. I do it every few months at home, and it usually fixes those smelly drains. So there you go, easy as. See ya.